In this Christmas Adv-beginner tap dance lesson tutorial, you'll learn a short combination to the song Let It Snow by Michael Buble. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, where we're helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Be sure to watch the video all the way through. I'm going to show you how to get my essential guide to learning tap dance off a video. It makes it easier and more fun, and most important of all, it's completely free. I'm also going to have a guide for my teachers out there on how to get students excited about tap and to keep them excited about tap. That's free as well, and so keep watching to see how to get those. Let's jump in. Starting with that left foot, we have step, heel, toe, followed by flap, heel, stamp, flap, heel, stamp, Irish right foot. I'm going to show that all again. 6, 7, 8. Step, heel, toe, flap, heel, stamp, flap, heel, stamp, Irish right foot. Let's put some counts on that. 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. One more time. 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. Then we're going to repeat most of it except the Irish. Step, heel, toe, flap, heel, stamp, flap, heel, stamp, stamp. So the second time through, after I do flap, heel, stamp, instead of doing the Irish, just going to stamp that right foot. Now I'm just doing some arms because I can't help myself. That's what I like to do. You don't have to do the arms if you want to do them with me. Go ahead. But if that's confusing, just let them be and just get the footwork. All right? So let's go through the second time through, the one that ends with the stamp. 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and you'll hear a big accent in the music on that stamp. That's why I put it in there. All right, let's connect it from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and let's roll that again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and from there your left foot's free. We're going to do step heels with a swing rhythm, grapevining the right foot back first. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. And on the 8th one, there's no heel. I'm going to show that again. Starting with left foot and then right foot going back first. 6, 7, 8. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, 7, and 8. Cool. Let's add that on from the top. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. Let's hit that one more time, my friends, from the top. 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. Let's finish it out on the left foot. Double buffalo, step, step, stamp, stamp, step, stomp, stomp, stamp. I'm going to show that again. Starting left foot, 7, 8. Double buffalo, step, step, stamp, stamp, step, stomp, stomp, stamp. On those stomps, I don't have weight on that leg, and then on the stamp, I do transfer my weight over. We'll take it again from that double buffalo left foot. 6, 7, 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, and. So those stomp, stomp, stamps, those are on the and count. I'm going to do it again from that double buffalo. 6, 7, 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, and. Super, let's take it from top, connect it all together. 6, 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and. Super, let's roll that out one more time. Then we'll do that much with some music. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and. Beautiful, my friends. We're going to try it with music in a second. If you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. Literally anything you write is helpful. I'll give you a second to do it right now. Awesome. Thank you so much. This is designed to go to the song Let It Snow by Michael Buble. This is the 10th anniversary edition, and we're going to be starting at about 57 seconds into the song. we're going to run it with music. This is actually the first half of the combination. If you want to learn and dance the second half of the combination, there's a link in the description below where you can click on it and go ahead and learn the rest of the dance. In addition to that, I've got my free guide, the Essential Guide to Learning Tap Dance on Video. It makes this whole experience of what you're doing right now, right? Learning through video, it makes it easier and better so that you can enjoy yourself even more. That's completely free. You can click down below. And teachers, I've got my free guide for you on how to get your students excited about tap and keep them excited. Because as a teacher myself, I know it's way more fun to teach when the kids actually want to be there, when they're excited about it. So you can get all that goodness, all that free goodness. It's all down below. So I hope you'll check that out. All right, let's try it with music. I'm going to start about 5% under tempo so we can get used to it. Then I'll boost up to real speed. Let's give it a go.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of...
Super, my friends! All right, let's do it again. You're getting used to how it feels. You're hearing those accents. We're going to roll it all again from the top, keeping it 5% under real speed. Here we go.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping.
Beautiful, my friends. All right, let's boost it up to real speed. It'll be a little quicker, but still manageable, hopefully. And let's see how it goes. Rolling.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping.
Woo! That's definitely quicker. That's definitely faster, no doubt about it. We're going to roll that all again. Here we go. Same speed.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping.
How about we roll it one more time, my friends? One more time. Have some fun with this. Keep smiling. You got it.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stop.
All right, my friends, I'm going to do it one more time facing you. And I'm going to do the entire dance so you can see what the rest of it looks like. And again, there's a link down below you can click on to learn the rest of that completely free. I hope to see you there. All right, let's see how it goes.
All the way home I'll be warm. Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I've got some corn for popping. Oh, the lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All right, well, thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you do want to learn the rest of that combination, click on the link down below. Or if you want either of those free guides, either for a student or teacher, click on those links as well. If you haven't already, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, and drop a comment. At UnitedTaps.com, we have a ton of content, especially going into the holiday season. If you have that friend who's like, you know, I've always wanted to learn to tap dance, hey, give them our beginner lesson series. It will start them out from scratch, not knowing anything. and work up their skills. If they get through the Advanced Beginner series, they'll be able to do a combination like this and have a whole lot of fun. And you might have a tapping partner. How cool would that be? Or maybe you would like some tap dance videos and you can give a little nudge to your special someone. Hey, I'd really like some of those tap dance videos at UnitedTaps.com. We've got lesson series across the floor, practice exercises, tap dictionary, choreography, workouts, right? Because the new year's not that far away. We've got workout videos, music, just a little bit of everything to keep you tap dancing and having fun. Thank you again for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.